It's been a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Hannah Walker, and welcome to my channel. So, in today's video, it's going to be very fun because it is officially back to school season. And guess who's going back to uni? I am, as well as I'm sure some of you guys. So, today's video we will be talking about 30 crochet ideas that is back to school friendly. So let's go. Alright, so number one on the list, guys, these are Pinterest inspired. So I'll be putting some pictures on screen so you guys can follow along and get some inspiration to crochet. And these are absolutely all beginner friendly, little to a few stitches. All you need is probably like granny square knowledge, double crochet stitches knowledge. It's basically for beginners, perfect for you guys. So number one on the list, we have laptop sleeves, guys. If you are a uni student, you know, if you have MacBooks, if you have Lenovo's, if you have like those sorts of laptops, you guys know we use laptops like practically every day or all the time. A perfect way to secure your laptop is getting a crochet laptop sleeve, and these are so nice and so they're so like they make sure your laptop is safe and like don't like they're not prone to falling, which is really good. So I like those. Next on the list is crochet scrunchies. I think it's a must-have, especially for like uni students. I think having a pair of crochet scrunchies is just like must-have and essential at this point, especially if you're like girly girls like me. Number 3 on our list, we have hair bows. I am seeing currently like a lot of girls, especially females, they're having these crochet bows done and they're looking all cute. So this is definitely like, if you're into all that aesthetic thing going on, perfect for you. Number 4 on our list, we have lanyard. Again, another uni student special. And if this applies for if you're in high school as well, these things apply to you or secondary school. Lanyards are perfect. Like they add a sense of like accessory, a sense of personal touch to your style. Number 5 on the list, we have tote bags. You cannot go wrong with tote bags. And the funny thing with tote bags is like there are so many different things you can make with tote bags. Made out of. There are so many different ways actually you can make these tote bags. So especially I would say granny squares. Granny squares are a perfect beginner friendly way to go as it comes to making tote bags, and you can make them in different patterns. There's the heart tote bag, we have granny square tote bag, there's the regular granny square tote bags. So it all depends on you and what you like. 6 on the list, we have crochet beanie, and I'm also seeing a lot of crochet beanies like coming back in style. You have in colors like green, mix, all the stuff. They're so cute and I love them. Then we have the ruffle hat. These are also making its way back, and I think they're like a girl's must have at this point because like it's so common and it's so trendy and it's so customizable. 8 on the list is bucket hats. Similar to the ruffle hats, these bucket hats are like more for men if you're into that, or if you're more like streetwear stuff like that. Number 9, we have fingerless gloves. This applies like if you're in type of cool guy or cool girl type thing. Fingerless gloves are like really cool in my opinion. I've created one for my friend. I think it's super cool and trendy. Number 10 on the list, we have, and forgive me if I butcher this name, amigurumi. Amigurumi. Yeah, you all know what I mean. These stress balls, and because still ripping back, like we're trying our best not to crash out, guys. Trying our best not to crash out. And a stress ball is a perfect way to relieve stress. As those of you who don't know, psychology taught me that. But yeah, those stress balls will definitely be beneficial for you, especially if you go to school as a college student, as a high school student, as a primary school student, elementary. That's fine. Get yourself an roomy stress ball, guys. Yeah. Number 11 on our list, we have wall hangers or plant hangers. I definitely like these because they're very unique. Like, I can see persons crocheting this for their dormitories or their apartments. It gives a nice touch to the home, you know? It's cute. Number 12 on our list, we have mini backpack keychains. If you're a girl like me, y'all know I love like these type of things, keychains, because it's so customizable. You can make flower keychains, bee inspired keychains. You can make literally everything. It's so cute. Then you have the material on the list, crossbody bags. These may not be entirely school friendly because there's a downside to it. Might sag or it might only carry like a gloss in it because it's more like for going out, but it also depends on the type of day. But these are still good bags. We'll try it. On number 14 on the list, we have headband. Crochet headband. They can be solid color, multicolored. I think they're always look good, and they can go with like any outfit. So it's like another number one like you must have in your bag. Number 15 on the list that is crochet bandana, and it's so funny. I recently posted a crochet bandana tutorial that you guys should check out. Yes, but I think that crochet bandana is like coming back in style, even though it's like giving really vintage type thing. They're still good. Number 16 on the list, we have crochet socks. Crochet socks, guys. Crochet socks. I think I need to try these because they're so comfortable. They look really comforting. Like based on what I've seen on Pinterest, they look really comforting. Yeah, I can try them out. You guys can definitely try them out. Number 17 on the list, we have bookmarks. If you are a bookworm, if you like to read, crochet bookmarks are something that would be really good for you to make. And you can make different styles of crochet bookmarks. These are definitely a must-have for you. Number 18 on the list, we have ID badge holders. Uni students can relate to this. If you're from UE, if you're from USC, especially if you relate to this, because it's like you must always present your IDs. So crocheting these ID badge holders are like a perfect way to like not lose your ID, or you always have it there because you're always seeing it. Number 19 on the list, we have phone cases. My favorite. Like, imagine taking a mirror picture and you seeing your crochet phone case that you made, whether it's like a Winnie inspired crochet phone case or a strawberry inspired crochet phone case. It looks cute, and it adds a sense of personalization to your style. It makes your phone look good. I like them. Number 20, we actually have crochet pillows, guys. Crochet pillows are so cute to me. They're so beautiful because you can make them in so many different sizes. You can make small, large. It can be a throw pillow even. I think they're really good, especially if you are a dorm student, you live on campus. These pillows are like a must-have for you. Number 21, we have granny square cardigans. I think with these granny square cardigans, they're a bit time-consuming, so it's gonna take you a while to complete this project, but it is definitely worth having, and it's so cool, like to walk on campus, and it's perfect for the weather when it's raining, especially in the Caribbean. We have rainy season here and we have sunny season, so when it's raining, you're gonna want to put on like an extra piece of clothing or what because it makes really cool in the AC as well. So yeah. 22, we have our AirPod cases. These are coming in style now, especially seeing that we're moving away from the wired headset thingy. So I think crochet AirPods cases are like so cute. I think I've said cute like a gazillion times at this point, but I think for me it's really functional. So you guys can definitely check that out. And you can have matching ones, especially like if you're best friends, you can have one with your friends, boyfriend, girlfriend, stuff like that. Number 23 on the list, which was a bit unique to me because I've never seen anyone did it before until I went on Pinterest and I literally searched it up, are crop covers. And I know a lot of university students are wearing Crocs with charms on them, with little beads on them, but I've seen persons wear literally granny squares on their Crocs, and I was like, oh wow, why didn't I think about like creating that? Like, it's so cool. Number 24 on the list, similar to the laptop sleeve, we have the laptop bag. This one I think is really handles, and you can actually like carry this around. Number 25 on the list, we have crochet backpack. 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 Crochet backpacks. Gorgeous. Beautiful. I love them. They can't carry much though, because again of the size and the weight. So you're gonna, like, if it is you plan on making a crochet backpack, you're gonna watch the type of yarn you use, because you don't want it to stretch out over time. Number 26 on the list, we have make a pouch. Another essential, especially if you're a female, if you're a lady, it's an essential. I don't have to go in further. Number 27, we have wristbands. And wristbands are really, I don't know how I feel about them because it's really, to me, it's like 2027, but if you have a friend and you want to crochet this for them, you could do it. It's a nice gift. It will make a nice gift. Number 28 on the list, we have a slouched beanie. Similar to the beanie hat that we have mentioned before, the slouched beanie is like a pretty much slouch, as the name implies. Number 29 on the list, we have crochet blankets. Again, these crochet blankets can be actually made out of granny squares, but it's going to be a lot of time. It's going to take you a lot of time to finish, but definitely when you're finished, you're going to be like, you're going to be happy because you finished your crochet blankets and you can sleep all cozy, get a nice rest. And finally on the list, we have notebook covers. I don't see this really trending much in the Caribbean, but I think it's a good idea if you want to add like a personal touch to your notebooks, because I know some of the girls really go out when it comes to like stationery stuff. You want to make sure everything is in order and so you'll like it. So guys, this brings me to 30 easy and quick crochet projects for back to school, which for me is next week. So by the time you'll see this video, it'll be like literally less than a few days until my school will reopen. And if it is you're going out there and your school is opening back for you or has already opened back for you, all the best in your endeavors. I wish you a great semester and nothing but love. Remember Philippians 4 verse 13, which says I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Also, I want to say thank you guys for 100 subscribers. We have reached 100 subscribers on YouTube, and that's like a huge deal for me. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all and each of 100 of you. You guys keep me motivated to continue making videos like this. And yeah, if you inspired, motivated, just came for the vibe of this video, you can be sure to like, comment and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss an update. And I will see you guys in the next one, the next tutorial, the next video. May or may not be a tutorial, or it may be a vlog. Stay tuned to that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.